Hello, if you want to set a photo as a wallpaper on OnePlus Nord for 5G, you need to go to the settings. There we go. And then over here we need to choose wallpapers and style. Now tap on wallpapers. And then over here you can choose album in the top left corner. You will open the list of all photos on your device. You can also switch to albums in order to have these photos categorized. And I'm gonna choose, let's say, this photo over here. I can press this check in the top right corner. Then we can adjust the photo a little bit. We can move it, we can zoom in and zoom out if needed. And we can also enable this option over here, this bulb, in order to transform it into something unique, like these examples over here. But let's go back. Over here we have the scrollable wallpaper on. So now if we scroll through the different pages in the home screen, then we will see the wallpaper scrolling as well. We can also press this bulb over here, this water drop, in order to blur the wallpaper. And if we are ready, then we can press apply to, and we have the option to choose it to lock screen, home screen, or both. I'm gonna set it to both in this case. Now let's wait a couple of seconds, and it takes quite a bit, but there we go. So now if I go back, over here you can see I have my own wallpaper. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.